we will learn about this division of rational numbers. So in case of division of rational number, rather than going to the theory part, let's solve the question answers, and along with that we will also know about the properties of rational number whenever there will be division. So question number 1, when you will simplify question number 1 is 4 by 9 divided by minus 5 divided by 12. So how will you solve? How you will be solve? 4 by 9. In case of division, what you do? Multiply. Now you will do the reciprocal of minus 5 by 12. The reciprocal of minus 5 by 12 is 12 by minus 5. Since it is not in the standard form, what you can write? You will have to write 16 by 15. This is question number 1. Question number 1. Again 4 by 9 divided by minus 5 by 12. Let's solve one more question from question number 1. Let's solve question number 4. 1 by 10 divided by minus 8 by 5. So minus 1 by 10, again you write what? Into reciprocal of minus 8 by 5 is minus 8. 2 is 1 by 16. Now before going to question number 2, let me clarify you two things. If A and B are two different numbers, then one thing you have to remember is that they will never equal to A divided by B will never be equal to B divided by A. Again I am telling you, if A and B are two different rational numbers, let's take an example. Let A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 10. So what is A divided by 5 is 5 divided 10. 5 into 1 by 10 is equal to half. But B divided by A, so what you will write? 2 divided by 5 is equivalent to 2. Therefore, I can say that A divided by B will not be equal to B divided by A. Please, this is the theory part that you have to keep it in mind. Now let's solve question number 2. Since if you will see here that two numbers are same, so first check it out whether they will be division of two rational numbers. In this case, whether it is same or it will be different. So 13 by 5 LHS divide by 26 by 10. Actually 26 by 10 is 13 by 5. So what you can write? 13 by 5 into 10 by 26, again reciprocal of 26 by 10, which is equivalent to your 1. Now what we will do? We will do the RHS part. In the RHS part, what you can do? (26) divided by 10 divide 13 by 5 is equal to 26 by 10 into 5 by 13. C. Since here A and B, actually A is 13 by 5, similarly B is also 13 by 5. That's why the answer is coming to be same. So what you can write here? Here you will write LHS equal to RHS. So answer will be you will write true. You have to write true. Now one more question that I will solve is from what? Let's solve one more question. Question number 2. Now let's check what happens. Since here A and B are two different rational numbers, so again you have to write LHS minus 9 divided by 3 by 4. So minus 9 into reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3 is equivalent to what? Minus 12. Now what you can do? RHS part. Now in this case, since A and B are two different rational numbers, so A divided by B will not be equal to B divided by A. So what you have to write? Since LHS is not equal to RS, your answer will be false. Please solve. Now question number 3, verification. You have to do it by the same method which I have done like question number 2. Now we will solve question number 4. Please see, jot it down. Now question number 4. The product of two rational numbers is minus 9. Product means whenever two rational numbers are multiplied, so the answer is minus 9. If one of the number is itna, find the other number. In this case, most of the teacher most of the students what they do, which I have generally found is that directly they do the division. But I will go through multiplicative process only. So कुछ नहीं करो, मुझे another number निकालना है, तो let the other number be A लिख सकते हैं. तो according to what? Question. When A is multiplied by what? Another product of two rational numbers. So according to minus 9 by A, product of two rational numbers. Minus 12 is the first number. A is another rational number. So their product is equivalent to what? Minus 9. Always remember, anything which is on the left hand side of the equation and is multiplied, it will go to the denominator part of the other side. Directly you can find it out. Minus minus cancelled. So the answer is 3 by 4. A is equal to, so equal to how much? 3 by 4. This is how you will solve question number 4. One more question I will solve, that is question number, let's go. 5 is same, 6 is same, 7 same. Let's solve question number 8. So how will you solve question number 8? Please see. Please first jot this down. Again, let's assume that let the other number be A. So, by what number should minus 33 by 8 be divided? Minus 33 by 8 be divided. मान लो A से उसको divide कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है? And the answer that you will get is how much? -11/2. अब कैसे सॉल्व करते? मैथ्स इज ऑल अबाउट हाउ यू सॉल्व इट इन अ वेरी इजी वे. मैं कुछ नहीं करूंगा. इंटू ए की जगह सॉरी 8 1 by since it is in the denominator part, it will go to the numerator part. One by a is equal to what? 4/3. Therefore, a is equal to 3/4. Please solve. This is how we will solve question number. This is what how we solve question number 8. कितना से डिवाइड किया? a से डिवाइड किया. Please see reciprocal a. So whenever we will convert, the division will get converted to multiplication, and we will do the reciprocal of a is 1/a. 8 will go to the numerator part of the another side, -33 to the denominator part of the other side. Whenever it will cancel out. तो बेटा यहाँ पर 1/a है. अगर आप a का reciprocal करोगे तो 3 will come to the upper part. Yeah, other students will solve like this way also. See, this is how you will solve question number 8. Now, last question of the day. So from either 9 and 10, we will solve one. See how we will solve question number 9. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. क्वेश्चन 9 थोड़ा सा टिपिकल है, ध्यान से सुनना. हाउ वी विल सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. डिवाइड द सम ऑफ द टू रैशनल्स गिवन. तो सम पहले कर लेते हैं. केस 1. फर्स्ट केस इज सम 13/5 प्लस -12/7. 13/5 plus minus -12/7. Twelve fives are so 31/35. Now what will be the case 2? What's case 2 is all about? Case 2 is product of itna. So write case 2. So product of -31 by lack. Because of the lack of space, I am solving like this way only. But in your copy, you will solve like in a vertical manner. Now what to do? अब क्वेश्चन का थर्ड पार्ट पढ़ते हैं. व्हाट इज केस 3? सो इन केस ऑफ केस 3 सेज डिवाइड द सम ऑफ दिस. तो डिवाइड नाउ केस 3 अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन लिख सकते हैं. व्हाट यू हैव टू राइट? डिवाइड द सम ऑफ द 31/35 by the product. So what is the product? 31/40. This is how you will solve question number 9. Correct? Similarly, you will solve question number 10. Divide the sum. First you will do the division, followed by you will do the subtraction of the two rational numbers, and then you will divide it. Fill in the blanks, and question number 12, better you solve it by own. This is how exercise 1 is solved. Please try to solve each and every question, jot it down in the fair copy, and in case of any doubt you can give me a call because the number is already given to Abhishek sir, or you can also ask me when the lockdown ends. That's all. Thank you.